another episode of Macquarie Preschool Montessori Learning Materials. I'm Sophie and today we're going to be doing the Color Tablet Box 1. Inside the Color Tablet Box 1 are the three main primary colors. Red, blue, and yellow. The three main primary colors because these colors are essential to other colors. They're the three main and primary colors. Let's match them, shall we? Yellow to yellow, red to red, and blue to blue. Once again, these are the three main and essential primary colors. If you want to see more videos on how we use our Montessori materials, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!